It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
My whole life I've been curled up, worried about fitting in. Don't know what I am, I just know that I'm different. Spazzed out, fidgeting, playing with the monsters. Only open up around the creatures that I conjure. Flashlights dangling underneath the stairs. If I ever went missing, they would always meet me there. They would be the ones to love me on the nights I needed care. Never brought them out in public, cause I hate when people stare. I'll be fine, just losing track of time, just dancing and singing with these voices in my mind. They the only ones who listen when I tell them what I feel. No one ever understood, and they probably never will. So I'm going now, away, away. So I'm going now, away. So I'm going now, away, away. So I'm going now. Watch me disappear just like a ghost. Disappear just like a ghost. Riding through the city, I'm just buzzing alone. Close my eyes while I drive, cause I love the unknown. Heart beating so hard, feel it thud in my bones. Can't say I love her, but I wrote her dozens of poems, and I almost read them out loud hundreds of times. Closed mouth, what a waste of a wonderful mind. She gets scared when the rain and the thunder combine. And I'm from a gloomy place where the sun doesn't shine. It wouldn't work, so I admire from afar. Lying on the rooftop, lighting up the stars. Hiding all my scars is all so exhausting. I just wanna get lost now. So I'm going now, away, away. So I'm going now, away. So I'm going now, away, away. So I'm going now. Watch me disappear just like a ghost. Watch me disappear just like a ghost. Watch me disappear just like a ghost. So I'm going now, away, away. So I'm going now, away. So I'm going now, away, away. So I'm going now. Watch me disappear just like a ghost.